That. Swear, Charlie. Ghana Airways.
I hear say Leroy to get a flight top song.
Charlie, the plan be saying we'll drop their bags, then straight to temptation.
Ding dong merrily on high, in heaven the bells are singing. Ding dong merrily on high, in heaven the bells are ringing.
Oh yeah!
Yeah!
Oh glory, Lucy, home.
8282P and JR 2304 house. Should please move your vehicle now. It's causing an obstruction. Thank you.
Charlie, you feel fresh,
man.
Charlie, but you know what I know the feel believe say.
What?
Say you go day Yankee for 6 weeks. 6 good weeks, so when you know the job, you be flexed.
I know here tourists before. You talking to the tourists, man. I just go.
I don't blame you, boy. I don't blame you, right? The slavery mentality is still in your mind.
But, Leroy, what's up? Oh, woman, you know on a party. If I go come with the next flight. You go reach it. Word, man. Yeah, tonight's cool, man.
You get the dollars, the luchi, soft.
If you see, I want to see this thing. I want sneakers, some contract. Relax, bro. Some contract I go, so I go give some predict or something. Make it distribute.
Yeah, maybe predict. Predict.
you panting like that? Who is there with you?
Who is this?
Who else could it be?
Sadia?
The one and only. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year.
Well, the same to you.
How are you doing, my dear?
Oh, fine. And you?
I just missed you, that's all.
I see. Well...
Is that all that you can say? What are we doing this Xmas? Aren't you going to say anything?
Now, listen. Shh. You can hear the shower, right? Can you call me back later? I mean, I was in the bathroom when you called.
Oh, I wish I was there with you. Did you hear what I said?
Hey, please call me back later, okay? I mean, I was in the bathroom, please, okay? 15.
Oh, okay. I'll call you in 15 minutes time, right?
All right. Oh, Jesus. Witch. Look at that witch over there. Nonsense.
Let you get down now. Charlie. Get down,
Relax. What's
Charlie, cool, bro. Charlie, welcome. Thanks, bro.
You look fresh.
Yeah, man.
Against some dollar.
See that?
Charlie, you know the plan?
Yeah.
We dey go drop the bags. Then straight to temptation too.
Oh, relax. You guys, make us spread you small.
Yeah.
Some Nando's or something.
You know, see.
You are speaking my language. But yeah. Make me see something. Wow, this one be my own deal. Some shoes, slickers, nice, beautiful. One once. We'll give Predec make a distribution. Predec? Yes, man.
Oh, yeah.
Ice. Open that Oh, Charlie.
Put this one for inside. The actor for no say that you know go inside. If you know I ring down way back. But is it Nando's?
A cute and reasonable one.
Cute and reasonable phone. Just look around. You are just in the right place.
I've seen so many lovely phones. I didn't know which one.
Definitely, you can't go wrong there.
Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
That looks good. What about that?
I
You
think I'll
prefer the one
one,
up there, Samsung?
Yeah.
Let me check that out for you. Yeah.
Hey, Mercy. Merry Christmas.
Same to you.
How's life?
Charlie, cool. You were the last person I expected to see.
Yeah, I know.
I thought you were in Zurich suffering the cold.
Oh yeah, I arrived just this morning from England. My mom says to spend Christmas here. She's coming from Zurich tomorrow.
Good for you.
Oh, do I still give you that one?
Yeah, I think I'll go for this
Or
one.
you change it up?
I think I'll go for this
You
one.
go for this
I'll
one.
still take a look at the other ones.
Okay,
That's
okay.
a nice phone.
Oh, it's for a friend for Christmas.
That's what you like this one.
Who's that?
Some rich kid from my school. All she does is to travel around the world.
She seems to be a nice person.
She can afford to be nice because she has nothing to worry about. Some people have caught it easy. What is it?
I thought she was a friend.
Friend. So what? I beg, let's check on the phone. I think this is okay. Come and have a look at this. Very nice. Yes, okay.
How are you?
Fine.
Season's greetings, my dear.
Thank you.
Where's everybody? Your house looks deserted for Christmas.
They've gone out to visit. I'm having a quiet Christmas. A time for sober reflections. A star?
Yes, a star will do nicely.
Right.
So, what are you reading?
Kofi Annan must sit up. Otherwise, these US Republicans will totally discredit the UN.
Why? Why is that?
The contradictions and the double standards have become too many. They seem to have no respect for the international law they claim to protect.
Where from all this anger?
Their latest outrage. The supposed barring of other countries from reconstruction contracts in Iraq, although they may have caught the devil Saddam Hussein.
What do you expect? I mean, for the capitalists, the bottom line is their most important consideration. I mean, look, what else can you do? They clothe their agenda in high-sounding morality and they preach democracy. But do not be deceived. I mean, economic gain is their ultimate goal.
Exactly. That is why I get so pissed off with the politicians when they call them donors. Look, someone come to your country looking for economic gain and you call him donor.
Well, that's a good one.
Check this out. For me, slavery, colonization, and the so-called globalization in its present context are all the same. The underlying principle is exploit the weak and poor for the benefit of the rich and strong.
The lamb shall always fall prey to the lion. In this world, only the fittest shall survive.
And is the law of the jungle. And it leads to chaos. Why can't we all live in harmony?
A mere phantasm. Look, it's just inapplicable to human condition. Man is inherently selfish and greedy. You want a solution? It's just a universal spread of knowledge.
And the fear of the Lord. For the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom.
Cheers, my dear.
Cheers.
Oh my God.
What's wrong? What's wrong?
Some witch just called me. Witches.
Yeah, baby. Enjoy. Hey, redness.
Charlie, take your time. Take your time. There will be plenty.
I feel nothing. It's for me, bro. I mean, melting off a few dollar bills. Come on, you know. It's on me, bro. Charlie. Looking around, people they enjoy for here. People they festive mood inside. Man, Ghana they jump. Like a boy.
I've got a big mansion with a swimming pool. What's up?
This one there's some potato. Bet this.
Quick on the door, huh? When it comes to money, he will say he hasn't got.
Oh, today they vex him. Why did they vex him? An interesting proposition, worthy of consideration. Charlie, I think it's a good idea. Man. Let's organize something. You know, call the campus girls. You know, unite. Charlie, I miss them, bro. I miss them.
What? A party there, Yankee girls not give a chance.
No, Percy. I'm on the cool, Charlie.
AIDS did the corner. Mind for watch out. But why the fear AIDS? Just grab a condom. Papa Shaka! Ever ready? But hey, that is not AIDS proof either. Get be careful.
Charlie, the potato, you must come on. You must to run things in a pump. Charlie, stop.
Looking as classy as ever. Oh, that girl is so beautiful. Good breeding. They get excelling. You must know.
Let's just go and grab something to drink and then we can catch up on the gossip. Okay, sure.
I'll bring you up to the spot.
I trust you. Hi guys.
Hi. Hey, Rexy. Hey, Alice.
Hey, you. I can see you guys are really pinching.
Oh man, how for do, you know?
Anyway, we're just going to grab some drink. Enjoy your meal, okay?
Excuse me, girls. That's our guy for you. Straight into action.
I tell you. Time and tide wait for no man. The future belongs to those who take the bull by the horn. Shoot, bro. Charlie.
Excuse me, girls. I hope you didn't mind, but there's a party on the car this evening, and I know you would like to come. Okay, so let me get your numbers and I'll call you.
How nice. 024.
72,
72, 6.
6.
6.
Okay. And the name is
Cafe.
Yeah, man. Okay. Sweetie.
024. 33. 33. 34.
That's beautiful.
You have my number.
I will call you. What's your name, Sweetie?
Emilia.
Oh, Emilia. Okay, I'll catch you.
Bye.
Have you finished marking?
Yes. You know, I have to be in Nigeria next week to do some external examiners work at Bendel State University.
I see. Are you going alone? Hey, you'd better be careful, eh?
Why, you want to come along?
Oh, not exactly. See, I had a little scuffle with mine. I mean, you know.
Oh, okay.
And I need to stay around to patch it up a bit.
Right,
Well,
don't worry.
so,
I can take good care of myself.
Yes, well. But, you know, you care a lot about me, you know. And I like it.
Don't worry. What are friends for?
Well, I have to get going. I have to finish up with my marking.
Right. All the best.
Yeah.
And may the new year bring us prosperity.
Yes, my dear.
Right. Okay.
And you'd better be careful in Nigeria.
Don't worry. You know I can take care of myself.
Take care.
Right. Bye-bye.
Like if I no come by, I go regret. And the place is big, it's good, it's like in the Yankees, you know? Yes, I am. And the DJ knows how to drop the music, just right. What's One boy after your crazy house. What me man?
What else will never end?
Am I seeing right?
Tell you are seeing right.
I am sure you right here from the airport. Hey, the what's up? That is the
Charlie, this one, no. Hey, what is this? Wow. I said, this girl, the way he lost. Oh, I not even caught a glimpse of her at the latter part of the semester.
Charlie, don't ever underestimate this girl. She's as hard as a nail. I was also surprised she went into hibernation only for exam. Yeah, that's exactly what she did. I mean, I've been in contact with her, you know me.
I'm ready to let you stop. All the way. The one that's wearing this.
Yes, baby.
Buddy, cool things. Great and right. Oh, this is